Good day everyone! My name is Jessa M. Aso from BSHM 2A. Today, I am going to cook a Filipino dish and European cuisine, which is the miswa and chicken croquettes.
But before that, I will show you my PPE. So let's start preparing the ingredients for our chicken croquettes. And now, let's prepare our ingredients for our miswa.
So, let's start. So, as you can see, meron ako ditong ihanda ng mga ingredients na kailangan ko sa pagluluto.
Pagkatapos nating i-strain ng potato, i-rest natin siya para lumamig at ayan, tapos na. At ayan naman, imamash natin yung potato and lalagyan na natin ng salt and pepper for the taste. At continue lang yung paghahalo niyan. Kapag okay na, yung manok na pinakuluan natin is i-rest natin siya para lumabig at yun, hihimayin natin and imimix na natin yung potato and yung chicken and continue lang sa pagmix. Kapag okay na, yung pagmix natin is i-scoop natin siya at i-roll lang ng pa-circle para ma-achieve natin yung size na kailangan natin. And after that, i-coat na natin siya sa breading mix, which is the flour, egg, and the breadcrumbs.
Guys, magluluto muna tayo ng chicken croquette. So, i-hintayin ko muna mag-init yung lana bago tayo magluto. So, ngayon guys, tapos na tayo sa chicken croquette. So, ngayon, ang lulutuin naman natin is yung miswa. So, meron ako ditong mga ingredients ng miswa. So, meron ako ditong white onion, onion leaves, garlic, salt and pepper for taste, chicken broth, patola, and of course, our miswa. So, tara! Magluto na tayo! So, una, magsusutay muna tayo ng white onion and garlic. So, mainit na ang ating kawali. Pwede na nating lagyan ng lana. Okay. So, mag-isa natin ang garlic. So, tapos na natin isutay yung garlic. So, sunod is yung 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay. So, hayaan muna natin siya hanggang sa kumulo. So, as you can see guys, kumukulo na siya. So, lalagyan na natin siya ng pepper. So, susunod na natin is yung egg. So, sunod naman natin ilalagay is yung patola. So, eto na guys, hintayin lang natin siya maging malambot for 10 to 5 minutes. Kasi susunod na natin is yung miswa. So, ngayon guys, tapos na natin yung luto ng miswa.
This dish is called Miswa Chicken Croquettes. This is a combination of Filipino and European dish. So the reason why I decided to come up with this dish is because miswa or miswa soup is commonly used in the Philippines dishes with a meatballs. So I'll try to experiment. What if I will try to substitute the chicken croquettes to meatballs?